Hello, my name is Vlada Dubovic, and my research was done in order to find the effects of oxidative stressors on cultured endothelial lung cells. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, is the third leading cause of death worldwide. It is an obstructive lung disease characterized by long-term poor airflow, caused by chronic bronchitis and emphysema. Chronic bronchitis is the continued inflammation of the bronchial tube lining, and emphysema is the destruction or damage to the alveoli in the lungs, which are the air sacs, where they get stretched out and are unable to properly function. The respiratory alveoli are constantly exposed to external irritants, which are naturally mitigated by self-stress responses. However, when these responses fail, it results in the pathogenesis of COPD. One of the most leading irritants is cigarette smoke exposure. However, it is unknown precisely in what way and when the irritants become too severe for the cells to mitigate. Therefore, my research was done to determine the effects of two oxidative stressors, cigarette smoke extract and hydrogen peroxide. To test this, I acquired cigarette smoke extract by utilizing the cigarette smoke extract apparatus, running smoke through a media that was later added to the cells in different concentrations. Also, I cultured multiple samples of BS2B cells, which are lung endothelial cells. They were placed in petri dishes with RPMI 1640, which is a standard cell media, in order to provide them with the necessary nutrients and vitamins for survival. Once they were cultured, different concentrations of cigarette smoke and another set of dishes hydrogen peroxide were augmented. Trypan blue assay will be soon performed, which is a lab dead discriminator, in order to see the effect of these oxidative stressors. The number of cells dyed blue by the trypan assay will be indicative of how many cells died at various concentrations. The control will consist of the cells untreated by any additional substances. This research will contribute to the overall goal of seeing the mechanics of how COPD is caused. It will show the phases the cells go through and whether they speed up or slow down, and at what point the cells are unable to battle with the stressors, thus leading to COPD. This is important for understanding how COPD is caused on a molecular level in order to formulate a method of prevention that is highly specific to the state of cells that result in COPD. This was done with the approval of Dr. Patty Lee and the guidance of Eric Finmore. The research took place at the Yale School of Medicine for the duration of 4 months.